Well, I accidentally didn't type the whole message, but now we're live. Just says we're live. In case anybody's watching, we're live with Temple Roads in Eastern Shore, Maryland. How you doing, Temple?
Doing good.
Thanks for having us out today, man.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
It's a beautiful day out here.
It's nice today. I'm just ready to be done. Thanksgiving's coming. I want to sit down. I want to relax with my family. Take it easy. Not over 10 people, though.
That's right.
Just so everybody knows. Small turkey, it's more like a chicken.
You ready to do some hunting?
I am. I'm ready to
Isn't that what you do every year after?
Yeah. As soon as we get done, I wind down, get my stuff in gear, and all my guys come over. We get everything ready, and then we get ready for hunting season. I don't know what hunting season's going to bring this year with the COVID and all that stuff, but hopefully we still take plenty of hunting trips. But we'll see here before too long. Get the hell out of this field. I'll be ready to go.
Yeah. So how much do you have left?
We got this little piece here, and we got a couple little pieces down the road. Maybe 80 acres, maybe. By the time it's all said and done, I got 52 acres down the road that's all cut up. There might be 20 left here, so maybe a little less than that. 72, something. I'm just ready to be done. I've had enough. I got to see the other day, I watched your live feed with Chris Weaver. He was trash mouthing me. Said I was sleeping. Weaver, I'm not sleeping today. Just so you know. I'm actually working just today.
That's funny. He was just picking.
He likes to pick on me.
He does.
You know, how is it that a consultant gets to trash me all the time, you know?
He's having fun making sure you're awake and stuff, you know.
You know, what he's not giving me credit on, the only reason he grows good beans is because I told him what to do.
Oh.
Yeah, he really didn't know what he was doing until
that's funny.
He was listening to Ed a little bit. You know what? Actually,
do you know Uncle Tom?
The only reason he can grow good crop, actually, I don't really care about winning. I just want to beat Weaver. If I can beat Weaver, or if I don't beat Weaver, either one, I'm just my new.
Newsflash. Temple's got a new guy.
I got a new guy. Regardless, got a new guy.
That's funny. Weaver seems like he knows his stuff. Really well.
He does. That's for sure. But you know what? It's a good thing we're all friends.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
As much as we trash each other.
It's a good thing. If you weren't, I'd be worried.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You should be. I think that John Deere stay together until we're done.
Maybe. This one definitely will.
This one definitely.
I hear good things about the yellow ones. I hear good things.
Weaver needs to get one of these. Maybe get rid of that yellow gold nugget, whatever he's got over there. What is that thing?
What does he got? Oh, the old one?
Yeah, the old one.
The New Holland from like 1972 or something?
That thing was, I think it was before I was born.
Yeah, it might be older than that, huh? It was cool looking though.
I tell you what though, that thing still does a good job. That thing is old.
Not a whole lot of electronics on it though.
So what is it after here for you? Where are you going?
So this is it.
Really?
This is the end of the road.
So I'm the hold on, let's back up.
You're the last one in.
No. Yeah, let me just explain what happened here. I was the last one chosen to be on the show, meaning I was always I'm never gonna win. Last guy done, probably the last, and just loser.
Whatever.
And I already told you, like my ROI. Do I get something for biggest loser?
Yeah, you actually do get an award for that.
I'm crushing that one. Crushing that. Oh,
that's funny.
So you're done. So you go
this
home
is
for
the
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. We have Alex and Drew, who's here with me today, who you met.
Yep.
And we've got Ben and Taylor and Kat all year doing a great job. They send me footage in the fields, and I've just been killing it this year. About soybean, wondering why they're one of our Podfather contests. That's the Ricky Bobby way.
Yeah.
But it's been a fun year, and we always enjoy coming to see
COVID stuff.
I know, right?
So it like opens things up, and everybody's not so nervous. Sure. And like the farm that we're on, across that woods is where he grew up at.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's right across that woods,
really
straight
cool.
across there. Family, but you can't discuss that with him because of COVID.
Right.
We don't let anybody around him. Like everybody's a nervous wreck. You know, we got a friend of the family that got COVID. You know, just when you think that maybe some of the COVID is not really real. You know, that you find somebody that is close to home and they have it. It's not good.
No, No, it's not good at all.
I'm just ready for it to be all done. I've had absolutely enough of this whole entire year.
Yeah.
The wet season, everything all together with the COVID, the lockdowns. I've had enough. You know, I don't know what's going to happen, you know, with hunting season. Hunting season might not end up being, you know, what we want it to be, you know, especially if they're talking about more lockdowns.
Oh, jeez. Let's hope not.
Yeah, let's hope not.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you're probably not in a boat by yourself when you're ready for this year to be done, though. So there's
I think
that.
everybody's had enough.
I think this year's been rough on everybody.
Stress is high.
Not just COVID, though. Like the weather, it's been very hot. A lot of heat this year. Not enough rain in a lot of places. That's not something you dealt with, obviously.
Not what we dealt with. That's for sure.
What you dealt with.
I mean, you talk about like high anxiety. Everybody's running on, hard to be around during harvest season. When all else fails, blame the grain cart driver.
That's right. I hear that. I'd be able to take it on the chin, too.
Oh, he definitely takes it well.
No.
I'm actually surprised he didn't quit yet. I'm like really surprised.
What did you have this year?
I don't know on a total ring. As a total.
You said 20?
20
Just in August?
In August.
Wow.
Month and that month. We were just getting like one huge rain event after the other. But we also got huge drown down spots in the field, you know? You got an area in the field that's an acre that you get 0 bushels out of. It takes a lot of good numbers to get that number back up.
Yeah.
Boy, 0 goes a long way.
Yeah, it does. This is cool. We got both combines. So that's your dad over there.
O'clock in the morning, every morning. I hope I'm not like him.
I'm doing a great job. Oh, you're full. We need a cart.
Hey, bud. Yep, I am. This is outside the little town of Queen Anne.
Nice.
We can get it done today. We don't have any more breakdowns. Multiple bearings, roller, mud. You know, dust is one thing. Mud's a whole nother. You know, we're constantly running mud in these things. Oh, God, there's Chris Weaver calling me. He's on the line.
Hey.
Should I take it?
Yeah, take the call.
Where's my headset?
No, just put it on speaker so we can hear him.
Might not be able to hear me. What do you want? I'm on Facebook Live right now, and I gotta be talking to you. What do you want? Hey, Seth said that he's pretty sure that I won, and you didn't. Seth said that he's pretty sure that I won, and you didn't. I'm not number 2. I'm gonna be lucky if I can get like maybe last. How many people are in this? 5?
Yeah, 5.
I'll be 6th. How do you know? First of all, how do you even know that you might even be able to win? You probably aren't even going to win. You're probably not even close. Hey, how bad are you? Shut up. How bad are you sweating it right now, knowing that if you don't beat all the guys that you consult, that nobody is going to listen to anything you have to say ever again? Like, what does that feel like?
It's really bad, but at the end of the day,
Oh, so you know my number, so now you know that you beat me. That's the only thing. So if anybody else beats you, you're okay, but if I beat you, you're not.
as I said the other day on Twitter, buddy, if I have to lose anybody, which I won't, it could be you. It could be. It's all good.
Well, the problem really is,
This against each other for 10+ years now, boy.
yeah, it's been a while. I mean, I'm the reason that you're growing good beans. Just admit it.
You are growing good beans, but only my program,
So you're taking credit for my good beans, and I'm taking credit for your good ones, right?
just remember one thing.
Oh God.
Good together is friends.
Good. I'll tell you what, we don't want to be enemies.
Pushing each other. We don't.
We don't want to be enemies. It would be bad.
Good at helping each other.
Correct. If we were enemies, it would be bad. Hey, it's probably a really good thing that we don't live close to each other and don't farm in the same area. Because we probably would, AGR buddies, Yeah, maybe. But at the end of the day, you know we wouldn't be friends. You know. That we rode in a truck together? I don't know that we have, like, and like, I thought you were gonna say my head.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I definitely thought you were gonna say my head and your head wouldn't fit the truck. It's the same thing. Yeah, I got everything fixed. We had to pull the draper belt out of the head, put all new bearings in, put a new shaft in, put it all back together. Hoover's had all the parts for me, so went to the John Deere store. They sell MacDon parts, but they didn't have the parts I needed. They had everything. They had the whole housing, bearings, everything. They did a lot of easier putting back together, but no, we got back up and running. I fixed it last night. I worked on it last night. So 2 weeks. So basically forever. I don't know the combine up there. It's too far. Oh, that's right. That's right. I got you. All right, buddy. Well, I'll call you as soon as I'm done. All right. See you, buddy.
That's funny. He must have seen us on Facebook.
I guarantee you he did.
Yeah, together, you know, with each other.
Well, you got really camaraderie.
Yeah.
Have, you know, I mean, them prodding each other. Because they all do it, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
You're just lucky we're on mic because we usually be cussing at each other.
Yeah, I can't believe we're still live.
We're still on.
We still got 30 viewers too. Not bad.
Look at us.
Look at us. We were up to like 40 or 50 a minute ago there. Tim Garrett. Do you know Tim Garrett up in Ontario? He put a message on here a second ago for us, and I wasn't able to read it because it goes away so fast. I'm gonna jump out of this screen. Oh wait, no, if I do that then, yeah. There was a couple questions. We had a couple people comments on there and over here. Through the haze. Warriors Facebook page. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and for a TV person who like to watch shows on TV, you can watch our show on RFD TV Thursdays on our website. Or Podfather or something. Missed it. And yeah, Cardinal, and but it's a really good episode. All our corn guys are Joe Hodel, great day.
Everything's the grain operator, the grain cart operators.
There. And hey, Temple Road, Seth Wood. Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, we appreciate it. So if you going dead, we're gonna bring it in, and then we'll come back with some more.